a welcome. This episode, we're being Mexicans and sending it over borders. Me and Corey teamed up. We've got legit permits. We just left Bendigo, where we've been residing for the last 2 weeks. Yes, we've got the Tundra, got the 33 fresh with a 360, 370 on a cold day. Hello Wasps with 23 PSI, and it's an absolute beast thanks to Dr. Draft. Check out last episode if you want to see that. So the Tundra just came back from a service, so we have a couple of upgrades to it. We've got a long range tank under there. Big boy, doubled the capacity, so I can get like 800 kilometers an hour out of a tank instead of 400 out of the big boy. We've got a little trans cooler in there, might not be able to see, thanks to BSC Performance and their zoo parts. So she's gonna love towing, hauling all the way to SA, and we're competing in round 1 at Tailem Bend, which I'm very excited about. First time competing in a little while now, so it should be a very good time, and hopefully come home with a trophy. That's if we get across the border, because they are being a bit strict at the moment. Alright, so the dealio is, there was some cones and it said D to it, and we're like, there's no one here, and you can go straight. So we went straight.
Yeah, we followed that bloke on the Harley through.
True, followed someone.
Lived in the little town next.
Probably lived in that town. Anyway, so we ended up here. A dirt road in the middle of nowhere, but there's no border control going on. We are now, where are we?
Fence right there is the border.
That is, I reckon that's the border right there. So as soon as we turn left,
the edge of the road.
we're good. But if you look here, that line right there, stop it there. That line right there is the border, and look where we are. Oh, yeah. Zoom in down there. Oh, South Australia. This is South Australia. And then Victoria. We are on the border. As soon as we turn left up here, we're in South Australia. So.
What's that ahead?
What's that ahead? That's the corner. That's the SA corner, boy. Yeah. Pier Point.
Oh,
Pier
how?
Point Road.
Oh, how?
There's a cop's at. Where's the cop's at?
I don't know.
Draft it with the trailer.
No, that is definitely a bad idea. Look at this, look at this, look at this.
Yes, hey!
We're here! We made it!
That's it. Moment of truth, part 300 meters, 200 meters. We're back on the route. No cops.
Can't say nothing.
No cops. The big dirty sign. Nice little sign. Where are we? Reference. Black Joe Road. Oh, it's a little bit. See you back there. We've been here the whole time. We've been on this road the whole time. That's we made it. I think we made it, boy.
I think we have. That's Kang.
We made it. The band. Wandy. We made it day 2.
Oh, hell.
I'm trying to ditch the car so we can go get some breakfast because I'm hungry. But anyway. I'm a truck, so I parked in my truck park. We found Corey's truck. Rad Knacker Dashing. Corey!
That's Kang.
I'm angry. Oh, the hangar's fixed now. But we still illegal. Where we are right now is the old Tailem Bend. So this is where I've driven. I didn't know it was still here. I thought they'd probably ripped it up or whatever, but this is right in the corner of the Tailem Bend property, and it's still all here, which is Kang. So we'll do a little drive around. But it's pretty much like a big, it was almost like a runway, and then it had just a big section coming up it, which is that section there. So that road along there was a big runway, so you'd enter from all the way down there, and you'd send it into here, do mass backies, and then it's a big dome, and then it's got like all these tracks here, sort of big corners linking out of it, so you could either come from down that side and sort of come in. I think there was one layout where we came in and ran the bowl, and it linked back out, and then you'd blaze out of this corner and just get on door, and sort of finish up coming back out that lane there. It was good times. Old mate, the Jaeger, that sadly passed away, he'd come here a fair bit. I think he had a car stored here, so it'd be interesting if that's still around, but I doubt it. But yeah, Stewie and all that, they're notorious for coming down here and absolutely blazing and playing around with lots of different drift layouts and whatnot. We'll do a little quick drive around before we get kicked out, and let's see if we can have a quick look-see.
Well, we found the four-wheel drive joint.
I want to send it up that vertical hill.
You wouldn't do it.
I'd do it.
Too much of a girl.
Trust me, I'd do it. Before we're allowed to go draft on Sunday, we have to get COVID tested, so I'm going to see if I can document them sticking their fangs up my nostril.
You just want to record it because you're going to get me throwing up. Sorry about this.
So this should be fun. We're actually on a freaking racetrack right now, in the middle of Adelaide. Corey reckons Adelaide 500. He doesn't know what the hell's going on.
It's called.
Yeah, I don't know. But it looks okay. It's like raffle straps and everything going on. I'll try to capture some of it on our way out. But I want to race someone right now. Oh, yeah. That's like perfect looking at my nose.
Open up nice and wide for me, face towards me, because you're a bit tall to be the back. Down a bit, that's it, right. Ooh, now I'm going to got your right nostril. Straight ahead.
Corey Lee Stevens, 2nd of 10th, 95.
This is the most ridiculously tall car. It's so tall.
802 827.
Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Just looking straight ahead, going to go look straight ahead
no.
for me. That's it.
Oh no.
Very nice and
Oh no. Oh.
Wonderful. We got there.
Got him.
Alrighty, guys.
That is the
Good luck
worst
going
feeling
back to
ever.
Victoria.
Cheers, thank you.
How's that, Corey? That was the weirdest thing. Mass tackles in my nose. Wherever such this racetrack.
American truck.
Thanks,
Yeah,
Shazza.
darling.
See the racetrack out there.
American truck gang.
Another one.
Yeah.
Gang racetrack.
Look at that. Oh, got that apex. True.
Hang on out there.
Oh, true. Yeah, bro.
See you, Gary. Alright, that concludes our test. It wasn't as bad as I thought. I thought they like full touch your brain. She was loving the tundra. Let's get back to the track, shall we? We're here at our cabins, all unloaded, ready for some roll racing this afternoon. And we both got our messages. Where is it?
SA Health.
Thing.
How many messages have you gotten today?
I don't know.
Surely it's further up than that.
Where is it?
SA
it is.
Pathology, right?
Pathology. What's that?
Oh, it says
Negative.
Alright.
So we're good to go. Our campaign and all that's waiting over there. There's some go-karting first.
And then roll racing.
And then roll racing. So we'll see
Yes.
that. The go-kart track's actually on the drifting circuit. Free game. So we'll get a little sneak preview for tomorrow. See the rough surface. Feel it firsthand. What it's like.
How to piss off all your neighbours in the caravan park 101.
I'll just the go-karts. They were champagne. We're going to try send a session. I think we've got a little bit of time between the roll racing. We've got about an hour and a bit, so we'll send one session now. I think a few drivers are going to come down and give her a crack. But yes, this is the drift track. Try and get some on-track action shots. Oh, we didn't get the GoPro for it.
Whoa, why did you do that?
I'll have to go grab it. Here's the Kang map. This is where we're drafting tomorrow. Start line somewhere here. Coming up there. Around that wall. Down her. Okay, let's see. Why clapping for it? Finish it somewhere here. Sand it. It's on. Corey. Angry. Oof. Well, that was fun. Back is definitely sore. Pretty sure Corey's back's out now. But guess who won? And here it is. Kangaroo. 40 seconds, 0.4. Dale Campaign, 40.5. God dang, I knew it'd be close. Yeah. Now to roll racing. We're heading over to roll racing, and old mate Stewie Bryant is here. El Presidente or Vice President, I don't know what's going on. He pretends like he runs everything.
I don't fucking know either, to be honest.
Old mate Acostal / Inertia MS / OG Drafter. We used to be lovers. Horrible breakup.
still a bit tender, but anyway.
So you keen tomorrow or what? You're judging?
Yeah.
Right?
No, I just kind of run everything else. But we actually had 2 Vic drivers, also Vic judges. But obviously you guys fucked that, so that fucked everything.
I can judge and drive.
Yeah. So I thought we'll give you guys a fighting chance, and then you can't win when you don't fucking win. So there were some Vic judges in there, but obviously everything kind of went south. So now we've got Dex, who's old school drifter, tuner for Garrett 7, Simon Michaelmore, which I'm pretty sure. And I say it wrong, it doesn't care, I'll never say it right.
They can actually tune that.
Oh, bullshit. Yeah.
They came with the
Absolute gun tuner. Won't let anyone touch my girls or touch my car. Oh, what's the other one? The CC. Jesus Christ. Sorry, it's all last minute. So CC, so all old school drifters. He's actually going to be, Anthony CC, he's going to be over at roll racing, and then he's going to be swinging by tomorrow. So he's actually really good judges in the end. But yeah, it's going to be good.
Yeah, we've actually got, we're supposed to pull out a K-frame of my 31 WAG because it's doing a Costal full setup in the front, and he doesn't have measurements yet. Didn't make it happen yet, but we'll try and sort something out to get to him.
Yeah, well, it's going to be interesting. So, like, I mean, because it's pretty much a universal frame. It has the geometry of S chassis, R chassis, whatever. And we can basically just put whatever holes we want in it, bolt it up, and then you've got complete S chassis, R chassis, standard front geometry. You can either put in max strut or put in double wishbone or whatever. At least the lower geometry is all sweet.
I'll see you tomorrow. So, somehow swindled some track time before track time. Hey, what's your name, mate?
Dylan.
Dylan's here. You got a photography company name?
Street to Screen Media.
Say that again.
Street to Screen Media.
And he's asked if I can do some laps for him to get some gangster raw sound material, and I don't know what else, so we'll see what happens. He said I can do a bunch of laps, which is pretty gangster. So, yeah, that's pretty rad. I'll try to chuck the GoPro in too, but he's going to get some mad footage that I'll hopefully get off him, and we'll slam up in the vlog. Getting some mad scrubbage right now. Go for the front bar, don't fall off. Had one race against what was it? Like a GT thing? HQ. And it was like neck to neck. I was a little slow on shafting. Plus tyres are rubbing like a beast. The marshal's told me to come back in and fix her up, so that's what we're doing right now. You can see that mass scrubbage here.
Yeah, that'll be holding you back too.
Hold me back. It feels slower than the 34. So I don't know if it's just because of longer gears and whatnot, but it's doing okay. So there's a DR30 or HR31, whatever it is, 31 coupe. with similar power that wants to race. So that'll be a sick race. I'll see what happens. Just got to get the hammer onto this. Thanks all the boys. Old mate over there giving me his jack and everything to get it done. We've got everything back in the Tundra. We just drove down here, obviously. Yeah, it's actually mad fun. I was a bit scared that I'd hurt the car doing this, but she loves it. Got the magic clearance pole. Get some clearance. Oh, halftime break, get some dinner, Hungry Jacks. Got the fam in the back, send it. HJ time, 4G'd up.
What time is it?
We're up, boy. Hopefully I get knocked out straight away so I can watch it. Just don't want to wreck car. Hopefully I shoot flames, that'd be good.
Yeah, well, hopefully this catches it. You better shoot a flame.
If he destroys me at the start, I'll just sit on limit. Like if I tell he rapes me off the line, I'll just stay in.
Just bang it on Limmy. Like I'll be like sort of mid-track, so.
Yes, sir.
Hey. All right.
You up, but you beat all the bitches.
Good way to go out.
Yeah, didn't get it.
Big brother.
Yeah.
Oh, that was some good funs. I just watched the last few runs. I think it was some V10 Audi R8 thing with twin turb skis. The GDR that beat me, if you didn't see it, he made it to second last run. So I'm pretty happy. I think I made like top 8 or something by the sounds of it. Not bad for the old girl. Got on the second gear on the brake, load up them boosts. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vid. I'm not sure if it'll be chopped up into a couple, but there'll be a part 2 tomorrow down at the competition, round 1, Drift SA. Anyway, thanks for watching, Cannies. Make sure you click that subscribe and that little bell. Until next time.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Day we hustle, but the night we
Know that they ride or die. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.